The photography world is currently obsessed with numbers. More megapixels, faster autofocus, more AI-driven automation that takes the soul out of the shutter. But in a quiet corner of the industry, there is a cult following that doesn't care about specs on a spreadsheet. They care about feelings. They care about a tactile click of a dial and the rangefinder aesthetic that makes you feel like a street photography legend from the 1950s. We are talking, of course, about the Fujifilm X-PRO series. It has been years since the X-PRO 3 divided the community with its hidden LCD screen and titanium build. The silence from Fujifilm has been deafening, but the wait is finally over. The whispers from the manufacturing floors in Japan have turned into a roar. The Fujifilm X-PRO 4 is not just coming. It is designed to reclaim the throne of the ultimate purist coming. Today, we are going beyond the surface. We are dissecting every leak, every patent, and every secret design choice that makes the X-PRO for the most anticipated camera of the decade. If you've ever felt like modern cameras are starting to feel more like computers than tools of art, then stay tuned. This is the deep dive you've been waiting for. To understand why the X-PRO 4 is such a massive deal, we have to talk about the X-PRO soul. When the original X-PRO 1 launched, it was a middle finger to the DSLR establishment. It said that photography should be an experience, not just a result. But as the years passed, the line between the XT series and the X-PRO series blurred. With the X-PRO 4, Fujifilm is reportedly drawing a line in the sand. They are doubling down on the rangefinder experience. Imagine a body that feels even more rugged, more purposeful. Rumors suggest a refined magnesium alloy chassis with a brand new weather-sealing architecture. This isn't a camera you baby in a studio. This is a camera you take into a monsoon in Tokyo or the dusty streets in New York City. It's addressed the controversy that defined the previous generation. Screen. The X-PRO 3's LCD was a love it or hate move. It forced you to look for the viewfinder. The X-PRO 4, the engineering team has been faced with a massive dilemma. How do you satisfy the purists while making the camera functional for modern careers? The latest intelligence suggests a revolutionary hybrid screen design. A screen that stays tucked away for that film camera aesthetic but offers a more seamless, high-resolution experience when you actually need to menu dive or check your composition. It's about removing the friction between the photographer and the moment. But the real magic lies behind the lens mount. The X-PRO 4 is expected to inherit the powerhouse 40-megapixel X-Trans 5 HR sensor. It's a game-changer. For the first time, the street camera will have the resolution of a high-end landscape beast. Imagine capturing a fleeting moment on a sidewalk and being able to crop in 200% while maintaining tack-sharp detail. This sensor, paired with the new X-Processor 5, means the X-PRO 4 won't just be beautiful, it will be a speed demon. We are talking about AI-driven subject detection that can track eyes, faces, animals, and even vehicles with a level of stickiness that was previously reserved for the X-H2S. And then there's the film simulations. We all know that Fuji's secret sauce is their color science. With the X-PRO 4, rumors are